What's up guys, Mr. Moneyman here, and today I'm going to share with you how I make $10 a month by mining Pi cryptocurrency with a free app. You don't have to spend any money, you don't have to buy any equipment, you don't even really have to learn anything. You just download an app and you can start making money. So right here, if you look at the left of this, you can see it says Pi per hour. That's about 168. And what that means is every hour I'm earning 1.68 Pi. And all I have to do this is open up an app on my phone. Just download the app. I'll show you how to do it in a second. And I can start making money. So if you're interested in doing mining, you're interested in learning about crypto, and you want to dive deeper into this, make sure you head to the link in my bio, chaserunner.com, and grab all of my resources for free. I have a huge checklist that you can go check out, and some classes that you can go to if you choose to do that. So let's first of all talk about what Pi is. Pi is a cryptocurrency that's not currently on the mainnet, and what that means is that it's not something that you can trade yet. So if you look at the description of this blog post, you can see it says Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep crypto mining accessible, as the centralization of the first generation of currencies like Bitcoin has put them out of reach of everyday users. So in other words, what that means, it means that it's very difficult to get started by mining crypto like Bitcoin, because you have to have a lot of gear, you have to have money, you have to have an investment. And the whole point of this Pi coin is to make it so that everybody can sort of start mining with their phones, and they don't have to do a large investment. They're just using devices that they already have. And you can see here, the later you wait to get into this, the less Pi you can mine. So right now, if you just get an account on here, and I'll leave a link to this app because you have to have a referral in order to get into it. But I think it's just, if you download the app, it's just Chase Reiner. That's the code you would use. But if you look right here, you can see if you join, you get about 0.2 Pi per hour. Now, the reason why I'm getting more Pi per hour is because I recruited people, and I'll show you how I do that in a second. But the longer you wait to get into mining Pi, the less you're going to be able to mine as the halving happens. And what a halving is basically it just protects the amount of Pi that is available to mine. That way, it's not just a infinite resource; it's a finite resource. So you can't just mine Pi forever on your phone. Eventually, it's going to become probably difficult as well. Just like with Bitcoin, now you need really powerful computers in order to mine it. So at the moment, Pi is a very available resource. You can get a lot of it, but in the future, it probably won't be. So unlike nodes and networks such as Bitcoin or Ethereum that use proof of work protocol, Pi uses an algorithm, blah, blah, blah. We don't really care about that. Here we go. So Pi Network price predictions. So this is how you actually make money off of Pi. So you can see here right now the forecast for when this becomes available, when it hits the mainnet, which means that when they release it to the public, should be by the end of 2021. This is the estimated value. It's going to be worth about a penny per Pi. And then obviously it's going to go up from there. But the reason why I'm able to make $10 a month mining Pi is because I'm making about a penny per hour. So 1.5 pennies per hour. So about one, like that, just 1.5 pennies. And if I put that in the calculator and I have my phone running all day, every day, which I do, all I have to do is just leave this app. This is all you have to do. You just open the app, and then you just leave it running in the background. So it's up right now. If I just go right here, you can see it's still mining. I don't even have to be on it. I just have to open it every day, or at least make sure that it's open on my phone. So if I say, okay, 1.5 Pi per hour times 24, that is about 36 cents per day. And then if I multiply that by 30, that's about $10, right? So 1,000 pennies is about $10 per month. Now that might not seem like a lot, but for a free crypto, right? I'm not doing anything. It doesn't make sense for me not to do it, because in about 5 or 6 months, when this crypto is out on the mainnet, now I have about $50 to $60 in that crypto. And obviously, if you're referring people, which is really the way to get more, if you want to start mining more, you can even, you could make a lot more than that. Like, let's say I referred, I don't know, I have 53 people referred right now. If they're all active, then I could be making, 2 or 3 pi per hour. And that could end up equaling, $150 to $200 in the next few months, or even more if I bring more people in. So I'll share with you how I bring more people in, how you can earn even more money with Pi. And there's also a way that you can actually start making money with Pi right away. There's an app or a community on Discord that I found out about. If you look up Pi on YouTube, I'll actually leave a link to the community. It's this really extremely confusing, I don't even really know what it is. It's just like this weird rabbit hole that I went down. But if you go to this Discord channel, there's a way that you can trade Pi. Just call myself Pi Man. There's a way that you can trade Pi for people to actually buy things for you on Amazon. But in order for you to do this, you have to sign up for this weird account. And gosh darn, I can't sign in. You have to sign up for this weird account, and you have to go jump through all these hoops. It becomes extremely confusing, and I really don't understand. But basically, there's a few amount of people back in 2019 that were granted ambassador accounts or something for Pi. And what those ambassador accounts do, and you can see here, I'm still not able to open up this Discord. What the ambassador accounts do is they can actually send and receive Pi, where with everybody else's account, you can't do that. So the Pi you have on your account, you can't do anything with. It's just you're not able to do anything. So with these ambassador accounts, what happens is these people are actually able to, it's called backing, where they're able to say, okay, let's say somebody wants to buy something off Amazon in exchange for your Pi. Well, those people will actually, they'll send the Pi over to somebody's account. And when the Pi gets sent to their account, the person will actually buy something on Amazon for that person. Sorry, it sounds really confusing. Let me just say it. Let me just write it out. So ambassador accounts can, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Ambassador accounts can send Pi to anyone. So let's say one of the ambassadors has 100 Pi in their account, or let's say it's 1,000 Pi. So this person can send 1,000 Pi over to somebody that doesn't have any Pi, let's say, or sorry, yeah, somebody that just has a brand new Pi account. They can send over that 1,000 Pi, and they'll say, hey, give me that. I'll send you 1,000 Pi if you buy something on Amazon for me. I just need you to buy, let's say, I don't know, iPhone case. So then what happens is that person buys the iPhone case, the ambassador sends them 1,000 Pi, but the person that's actually sending the Pi, because the ambassadors aren't buying all this stuff, there's a person over here that's actually buying or trading their Pi, their 1,000 Pi for the iPhone case. What happens is these people get locked into a contract with the ambassadors, and the ambassadors basically have to risk saying, hey, yeah, if I send this 1,000 Pi for you, you have to give it to me when we hit mainnet. It's extremely confusing. I don't understand it at all, but there's a completely separate app. Let me show you what it looks like. That's called the Pi Lifestyle. And again, I spent all this time learning this just so you guys didn't have to, because again, I really don't understand it. It's extremely confusing. But if you go over to this other app here called the Pi Lifestyle, if it ever loads. You can see here they got this whole community that's based around this whole thing of trading Pi. And sorry, it just took me to their YouTube channel. You really don't need to go down the rabbit hole. I think really what this community is it just seems kind of like a really low, it almost seems like a low performing pyramid scheme that they're just trying to get anybody to sign up for as fast as they can. But I wouldn't do it. I don't think it's a smart option. I think the best way of doing this is the way that I'm about to show you, which is just inviting people to help mine with you and just mining Pi on your own phone. You might be thinking, well, is it worth, creating a bunch of phones and just mining Pi with all your different phones? And here's the community. I'll just show you. See, it's got all this weird stuff. It's got like the stuff you can buy, Pi shops, and these Pi shops are like based in the Philippines. It's really weird. So like, I don't, it seems very odd to me. These places accept Pi. I don't know. I wouldn't do it. But the best way, again, is just to invite other people. And I wouldn't open up a bunch of accounts because apparently when you do this, when you have these Pi apps open, they're tied to your specific account, like your Facebook account. And if you try to start mining with multiple accounts and they find out, they'll actually remove your account from everything and your Pi, and you won't get it back. So it's better just to refer people and bring people in to help mine with you. Now, let me show you what this app looks like when you open it up. Let me actually go to the App Store so you can see this. So you're just going to go to the App Store or Google Play. It works with both. You're going to type in Pi. And here you go. You can see here it says Pi Network. So you're just going to open that up. And then you're going to go to the app. And as soon as you open the app, that's all you have to do. You're already earning Pi. That's it. But let me share with you the layout. So the first thing at the top right is this weird chat. A lot of people in here are usually just asking how to make money with Pi. Like, that's pretty much what everybody's asking. There's a lot of people in here. A lot of people are interested in Pi, I guess. But I don't really understand what the chat's for other than that. This shows you your contribution to the network security. And I don't really understand what that is either. But this part, which is where you make the money, is your earning team. So this just shows you all the different people that are helping you earn Pi under the people that signed up under your account. If you want to ping them, you can actually press the ping button down here. And now it pinged all of the inactive people, and they get a push notification on their phone to open up the app. And when they come on, you start mining more based on how many people are helping you mine. This right here, the little Pi per hour, the green thing, lightning symbol. This shows you this shows you how much you're earning. Contributor for this mining session, you have declared 1.0 security connections. Ambassador, so you have 91 new pioneers. Your earning team has 92 members, 55. So it shows you just everything that you're making. And then something that's coming soon is being able to mine on your computer. So run the Pi mining software on your computer to help secure the Pi blockchain based on security connections. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, let me explain to you how you get more people in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click on this top left hamburger menu, and you're going to start inviting people. Actually, I think you just go bottom left right here, invite, and you're going to start inviting people just by copying your link. Go to somewhere like Facebook, and you're just going to paste this on here. Now, anybody who signs up, what's going to happen is they're going to get invited. It says, I'm sending you 1 Pi. Pi is a new digital currency developed by Stanford PhDs with over 10 million members worldwide. To claim your Pi. So then they just click on that link. And when they go to sign up for the app, it asks for the referral code, and the referral code is in there. You can see here it just says Chase Reiner. Boom. And then they click to join. And then that's pretty much it. They start joining, and then you start making money. Obviously, you don't make money right away, but it's an investment just like any crypto, and eventually you do start making money. So if you want to start reaching more people as well, by the way, make sure you check out my free Facebook group. I will also leave in the link of this video. I just made a new group called the Make Money Online group. We talk about YouTube, cryptocurrency, TikTok. So if you want to get into here, I'll leave a link, and we can start talking about crypto and Pi and whatever you want to talk about. So if you like these types of videos, let me know by leaving a like, and we'll see you all very soon. Till we do, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.